kids again in Najmalan channel. Let's learn about colors. Red, can you say red? Red like apple, tomato, ladybug. Orange, orange. Orange objects, orange, pumpkin, basketball. Yellow. Yellow objects, cheese, lemon, banana. Green. Green objects, broccoli, leaf, pear. Blue, blue. Blue objects, blueberries, sapphire, bluebird. Purple. Say purple. Purple objects, plum purple, cabbage, eggplant. Pink, pink. Pink objects, rose, pig, flamingo. Brown. Brown objects, squirrel, chocolate, acorn. White. White. White objects, swan, milk, dove. Black dot black. Black objects, raven, panther, coal. Thank you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to your channel, Najmalan.